On today's episode, we are going to look into Auto-GPT. So, imagine telling your assistant, start a blog for me. You don't say anything else. But the next day, the blog is up. Name chosen, logo design, post written, even SEO optimized. It sounds like a team work on it, right? No, but it was just one AI agent, and that agent is called Auto-GPT. Welcome to the future of smart, self-thinking AI. So, what is Auto-GPT? Well, let's keep it simple. Auto-GPT is an AI agent that doesn't wait for you to give it in each instruction. It doesn't expect all those things. You just give it a goal and it figures out the steps, plans the task, searches the internet, writes the content, saves file, and even update itself. Unlike normal AI like ChatGPT that waits for prompts, Auto-GPT is autonomous. It can think, act, learn, and repeat just like a junior employee who figures things out on their own. Why it's a game changer? Now, imagine this. You are a content creator. You say, I want a YouTube channel about space facts. Auto-GPT could research trending space topics. It writes video scripts, finds the correct keywords. It creates on its own the basic video descriptions. Even suggests a thumbnail title without you doing anything on your own. I mean, manually, you are not doing anything at all. It's like hiring 5 different peoples like content creator, researcher, planner, SEO expert, and assistant, all rolled into one AI. So how does it works? Behind the scenes, that this chart GPT is powered by GPT-4, the brain that understands language and generates responses. A planner, it breaks your big goal into small tasks. A memory system, so it remembers what it is already done. A browser tool to search a real time into the internet. And a file handler, so it can write documents, spreadsheets, notes. And finally, it can call APIs and even talk to other AI agents if required or if we demand. Basically, it's like a product manager, team member, and a researcher, but all in one. So let me give you an example. A solo entrepreneur wanted to build a newsletter about productivity. So he gave one goal to Auto-GPT. Build me a newsletter with weekly productive tips. Then what happened next? So this Auto-GPT create a list of topics, wrote the first 2 email drafts, suggested a name, created a folder with content, even searched copyright images that will make sure nothing goes wrong. It's all comes, that's an hour of works, but it's done in minutes. And the human only type one sentence, that's us. We have to give just one line of prompt. Actually, we can use this Auto-GPT in marketing, build lead list, write copy, analyze trends. In education, generate lesson plans, quiz, study guides. In software, plan app ideas, generate documentation. But in case of business draft strategies, write report, analyze competitors. If in case you want to write something on your YouTube, it can create scripts, titles, descriptions, and ideas It's not about replacing ourselves. It's about giving power to individuals who want to do more with less efforts, with complete efficiency. Now you might ask, okay, but how do I use this Auto-GPT? Right now, it needs a little setup as it is in the earlier stage. You need a computer. Yes, basically we know that's some basic tech knowledge and OpenAI plus browser API keys. But don't worry, newer tools like Agent GPT and God mode are making this easier. It's all on the way. So you don't require code interfaces. Soon you will be able to just open a browser, type your code, and Auto-GPT will go to the work like a magic. And is the and here is the exciting part. Many apps you are already using, they are starting to build Auto-GPT inside. So, what makes it special? What it differs from other GPTs? It runs by itself. It remembers your goal. It learns from its own steps. It can work with other AI agents. It can able to coordinate with the other AI agents. It can make decisions and change its plan if it finds something better than what it already found. That's not just smart. That's actually a really self-aware productivity. So this tool, Auto-GPT, is more than a tool. It's a glimpse of how you will work in the future. In a few years from now, we won't just use AIs. We will run companies with AI agents. Definitely that will going to happen. We will build apps, write books, start businesses, all with the help of a silent team of AI assistants. So tell me, what's your next goal? That can be done with Auto-GPT. It will support you. If you found this video interesting, share with someone who likes this kind of AI videos. Thank you.